All right, if your Unreal Engine package build does not open, and what exactly I mean by that is if we go in here and we click here on this executable, it does something, but it doesn't load and doesn't launch the game. Basically does nothing. If you try appending flags to log stuff or whatever, it doesn't do that either. It literally just does nothing, okay? And if you are at this point and you don't get any error messages and you don't know where to start to fix these things, I wanted to make this short video so you can actually fix these things. If you have an error and you don't know how to fix that, that's a different story. This is specifically how to get an error message at all. Okay, so if we go back to builds, you can, first of all, you can see the first time it didn't open, it was months ago. But I didn't bother because I didn't need the solution right now. I didn't need to package a game. But now I thought, okay, I need to see the game, how it looks like for the user. And as you can see, since yesterday, I've been trying to fix it. You need to package a game that is an Unreal Engine at the top platform, then package the game, or click you hover platform and then package the game. And then you will choose a folder, like I name these folders like this, so I know what game, what platform, and when. And then you will have something like this, right? In this folder, we want to go into your project's name. In my case, it's called Imco. And then you go into binaries, Win64, and we have this executable. And now you want to open Visual Studio. You can open Visual Studio 2022 or 26. It doesn't matter. You can just use whatever version you want. And as you can see, I already had this folder open. So let's open the folder and go to the directory that I just showed you where it is, and just click open folder. So here I already identified where the issue is, so I'm going to close that. And here in the Solution Explorer, we have your executable, which you want to debug, and that you package and everything, and that doesn't work, that doesn't open, right? And then you just click debug. And for me, it actually opened also the source file and showed me right here where it was. But for some reason, it doesn't do it anymore. But it was this file. But you don't need that. You don't need that because you have the call stack here. This is literally the error that I had. And you could open it here, I guess. Or maybe you can, or you can browse it. Source file, blah, 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 blah. The source file is different from the modules book. Yes, yeah, that's perfect. This is exactly where it opens the file and what actually caused the issue. Now I fixed it. As you can see, I commented out, and I have to find a different solution for whatever I was trying to do here. But yeah, this is how I found my issue that caused this. I hope this video helps, and I hope you find your issue quickly. Thanks for watching. I just wanted to append more info. That is, you might have to do this multiple times, okay? So you repackage your game after fixing whatever issue you find in the call stack, then package it, and if it still doesn't start, you do that with the new package again. Just in case it doesn't work, then just do the previous steps again. Okay, now that's actually done with the video.